What's going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom here. Today I'm going to be reviewing a new Air Jordan 1 and Union collaboration. Let's get into it. First, you're going to start out with this very nice box. It's all yellow and black, and you have different symbols going on throughout the box. Very nice box. Love all the different things they got going on with it. Love all the different symbols that's on here. We got the Jumpman symbol, then you got the Bephie's Beauty Supply symbol. Then we also have the Union symbol right there. And then we got the number 96, which is back in 96 what the shoe is really, coming from. That's when they first met each other. This side of the box we have Union. This side right here has like a person, another lady sitting there with a hat on. Then on this side, you just, in the front of the box, you got your Bephie's Beauty Supply symbol on the front of the box also. But then let's go ahead and read the front of the box, and it says Air Jordan 1 Retro High OGSP, and the colorway is Cell, Neutral Gray, and Muslin. Let's get into the insides. We're gonna open up the box. Still very nice on the inside of the box. You still have those same three symbols right there on top of the box, and then you still do have that stamp of approval right there also. We have these tissue paper that's in here. They got Air Jordan, look like a bunch of different apartments going throughout the tissue paper on this part, and then once you flip it open, then you just get to the same normal white tissue paper that we used to get in mostly every Jordan box. That's pretty much it going on with the box, but I can't say I give the box a 10 because they did a good job on the box, loving the details, love everything about the box, and it just helps you bring into what we're about to get into, which is the shoe, and it is the Air Jordan 1 and Union collaboration. Okay, first of all, I want to start off by saying, at first when I first saw these, I was like, no, they just wasn't it for me. I was like, I'm passing. But then it came to release date, and I was like, you know what? The more I kept looking at them, I was like, they're actually not bad. And me being a person that I am that like different things, this was definitely a different shoe that I'm used to getting in at Air Jordan 1. So went ahead and went for them, and I'm actually glad I did because I will be rocking these. It's a very nice shoe, very nice materials, and plus I love the meaning behind the shoe as a whole, especially as a married couple being married. I just love the way they just put everything into the shoe together as one. So that's pretty much it, all I have to say about that. But the main part of the shoe that we know everyone doesn't like is this part right here is going around the whole shoe, which is the woven part. I can understand it, but after reading and understanding why they put that on the shoe, it just did it for me, and I'm glad I got them. So let's go ahead and get into the description of the shoe. As I said before, you has woven going throughout the whole upper of the shoe. Kind of like it looks like it just really connects the whole shoe together, which is different. Like that, it's like a cell-ish looking color, which is cell looking color on there. We're going to the front. We got the cell top of the toe of the shoe, which is very, very nice quality leather. That's one thing I can say about the shoe, that all the materials are A1. No issues with the materials. I'm loving this little yellow part they got going throughout the upper, on top of the toe also. It's like the yellow in between each of the different cuts of the shoe, which is very nice. Coming to the side, you got this like a gray Nike check right here on the side. Loving this like teal stitching that they have going across the top of the shoe also. Very nice stitching right there going across all the way to the back of the shoe, where you got BBS, which stands for the Bephie's Beauty Supply, which is Beth's her company that she has. Chris has Union and Beth has Bephie's Beauty Supply, which is very nice. You got your Air Jordan wings right here on the side. Then you got your normal Union to LA symbol right here on the side of the Jordan also. One thing I can say is I don't own an Union LA collaboration Jordan 1 like the two that came out. I think it was back in 2012, or I might be going too far. I know they came back a while back. Wasn't able to get my hands on those. And the prices on those right now are ridiculous, so definitely won't never have any of those probably. So these right here were the ones I definitely had to go ahead and get, so I can actually say I have a Union collaboration. We're gonna go to the inside shoe. You got your Nike Air right there with that teal on the inside. Loving this exposed tongue right here. That's on the top of the tongue coming all the way to the cross to the front, where you got your Nike Air right there in that gray and white with that same vinyl tongue right there. Going to these shoelaces, you got these two-tone laces. It's like a sail and a gray lace, which I think is very nice. I think that came on the first unions also. That's like their signature thing to do with the shoelaces, which is very nice. But they do look like they are very thin. It's a very thin lace, but that's just how they do it. So that's what we got. Overall, not bad. Not complaining about it. Gonna go down to the midsole. You got this nice sail midsole, and we flip into the bottom where you got that nice yellow looking bottom on the bottom of the shoe also. But like I said, overall it's clean. I can dig it. Like I said, now that I'm understanding the meaning of the shoe, I'm definitely glad I got them. Definitely wearable. You can pretty much wear these with anything. You got your gray and white, and then you got that tab of teal and yellow, which is very nice and clean. I like it. I'm glad I was able to cop. This was the left shoe. Right shoe looks the same as that way. You got that nice with that little woven going throughout the shoe. Like I said, it came from the Nike Air Footscape, which that's what they took this from, which is different. I like it. Like I said, I can dig it. All white upper, like a teal right here on the side right here with that Union LA. Then you got your Jumpman symbol right there on the side also. Then you got that BBS on the back of the heel of the shoe right there. Come on, camera. There we go. And then that's pretty much it. You got those laces right there. But anyway, it did come with an extra pair of laces, which is a yellow pair of laces, which I like. Definitely gonna be switching out the laces because I seen them with the laces, with these laces in, and they look very, very nice. So I'm definitely gonna be switching out to these laces right here. But overall, just a clean shoe, y'all. You can't go wrong. Like I said, it's a cream, teal, and gray shoe. Can't go wrong with it. It's Air Jordan 1. I love 1, so I'm not complaining. But I can see why a lot of people don't like that woven thing that's going throughout the whole upper of the shoe. To me, like I said, it kills it. At first, when I first saw them, I thought that too. But now that I have them in hand, they are a very, very nice shoe. And I'm definitely going to be keeping these in the collection. But y'all let me know down in the comment below. Did y'all go for these or did you pass on them when they came out? I think they came out way back at like August 24th or something. They came out. I got them off the Union site. It took a long time. That's the only part I didn't like. It took too long to get these since I just received them. So that was like almost a 2-week wait for $25 in shipping. Like, come on, y'all. Y'all could do better than that. But I got them, so they're here. And overall, like I said, very nice, very clean shoe. Love the story behind the shoe. Not gonna go into the story because I know there's so many videos out there that y'all done seen the story on. So we're not gonna get into the story of the shoe, but we all know what the story is. And like I said, I love the background and everything they put into the shoe together as a couple. And I think that's a goal for me. Like, you can't go wrong. If you could put together a shoe or a Jordan 1 with your husband or with your wife, you winning all day, any day, no matter what nobody else says. You're winning. So that's what I got to say about that. But y'all let me know. Let me know down in the comment below. Did y'all like these? Did you go for them? Did you pass on them? Let me know y'all opinions down in the comments below. And we can chop it up. But that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. So if you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. Stay tuned to the end for that on foot. And hit that like button for your girl so we can get this video out there a little bit. Even though there's so many out there, let's add mine out there too. But that's all I got for y'all today. So until the next time, it's your girl, SnkrMom. Peace.